In this video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic Lunc right now, currently exploding and reaching this resistance right here. So we're currently getting rejected, as you guys can see. The big question is will Terra Luna Lunc make that nice little breakout that we all want above this resistance, or are we going to stay below? So it's really going to depend when the daily and 4-hour candle closes. But as you guys can see, the 4-hour candle closed exactly at the resistance, and then we're getting rejected back down. So this is definitely going to be an interesting video. And of course, guys, if you like these daily cryptocurrency videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's get straight to business. If you guys saw my video a couple days ago, I mentioned Lunc Terra Luna Classic big next move is incoming, and I said right here Terra Luna Classic big move incoming. So I give two moves that I said what the potential next move could be for Terra Luna Classic. I made two videos, and this is exactly what is happening. And of course, guys, the ETH breakout, I don't know if you guys have been around, but I did call a breakout on ETH, and this is exactly what happened. So if you are in my Telegram signal group, 3 days ago I made a breakout on resistance on EW. $10.05 to $11.05 was the buy area. We made 20% approximately without leverage, guys, without leverage. That is fantastic. These are my take profit, stop loss. If you want to join this group, link will also be in the description below. $99 a month only, and of course there is packages for more intense traders. But right here I do give like Adam a XRP. If you guys took the XRP trade as well, XRP exploded. So these trades have been pretty good overall, and that's about it. So if you want to be part of it, go ahead, shoot me a DM, send me a message, and we will speak. Having a look at Terra Luna Classic Lunc right here, where can we go? Where are we going in the near future? Let's take away these stochastic RSI. If I take this resistance right here and I actually extend that, we know that this has been a pretty strong resistance area. We got rejected right here. We had some conflict right here. We got a rejection conflict right here. We had another one right here, and now we're meeting another one right here. The big question is, are we going to break above this very important region? Because if we do, Terra Luna can be bullish again. We could have that nice little explosion, retest, and then continue to the upside. So that's that. Now another thing is that we are above the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour time frame, which is a very good sign. So if you guys remember my video, I mentioned that if we stay above the EMA ribbon, that would be very good. And this is exactly what happened. We broke out the EMA ribbon, we came back, retested the ribbon. Like you guys know, we know that the ribbons when we're above it is very bullish, and then we exploded away from the EMA ribbon. Now we know what happens when we're below the EMA ribbon, right? It essentially becomes a resistance. So this was a resistance of the EMA ribbon, another one right here, another one right here, and then until we essentially finally broke through it. And we know what happens when we're essentially above the EMA ribbon. It becomes a nice little support. So when we broke right here on August 22nd, we came back, rejected, came back, rejected, came back, rejected, and this was always a nice little area for the EMA ribbon to hold us, and things have been looking very good overall. Now, if we have a look at the 1-hour time frame, we know that this has been the trend, right? And we know the trend is your friend until it bends, and we were trending right here for quite some time on the 1-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is obviously more visible right here. We were trending in an upside, and this is exactly what happened. We were trending in a nice little upside. We had this nice little consolidation phase right here. So we know when we have a pump, we're obviously going to correct. We made a nice little bear flag, or bull flag I should say, broke out of the bull flag, consolidated, and then exploded to the upside. So this is going to be definitely a very interesting area to watch, in my opinion. If we do break above this level, then we could definitely come back up to this level right here. I'm going to draw the resistance for you guys. The first resistance would approximately be right here. This was the first one, sitting at 36. So this would be a nice little pump of approximately 25%. And then of course, if we do break this area, then of course this would be another area of conflict sitting at 50, anywhere between 47 and 50. And then of course, if we break this king right here sitting at 59.60, then we could have a massive movement to the upside. Now, if we have a look at USDC right now, USDC is looking pretty good overall. We had this nice little trend and this triangle that we were in. Okay, so this was a triangle that we were in on USDC, getting tighter and tighter until we finally exploded, right? Things are looking good. Now, what can be the target for USDC Terra Classic? Well, if I take this and I put it at the breakout, our target should be approximately 4, which is 4 cents. Now, we also have a strong resistance on USDC, pretty much almost the same thing as Terra Luna Classic right here. As you guys can see, nothing too crazy, nothing too much. If we break this area, then we will make another breakout right here around this region, which is fine. But that's about it. And of course, the support for USDC would approximately be right here at this region. So we did have a nice little peak towards the downside, came back, recovered really quick, had a crazy wick all the way to 2 cents. I believe this was not a real one, depends on what exchange you were using. On Binance, we did have a crazy wick to the downside and broke out. So now we came back, retested like on Terra Classic, got rejected, If we do manage to break this resistance right here, we could have some further moves to the upside, and that's about it. If we have a look at the exponential moving average on Terra Luna Classic, we are actually above it. So it's not like it's not like Terra Classic. It's so USDC is not like Terra Classic. We have this nice little breakout right here, and things are looking very good. The question is, are we going to retest that level before coming back, before going and continuing back to the upside? Very, very, very possible, but it's very good that the fact that we're above the EMA ribbon once again, guys. Let's go back to USDC and see, to Terra Luna Classic and see what we can do. So another thing that I want to have a look at is on Terra Luna Classic, the stochastic RSI on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is looking a little bit oversold. That means investors are going to be looking to sell. People, it seems like it's getting weaker, so maybe we're going to have to wait for it to come down. Now, of course, if we do go sideways very, very slowly, then of course that would be very, very good. This would essentially come back down all the way to this, the 1620 20 stochastic RSI level, which would be fantastic. So that's that on the stochastic RSI. If we have a look on the shorter time frame, such as on the 15-minute on Terra Luna Classic, we can see that stochastic RSI right now is ready and making another move. So we had this nice little correction. We had this pump earlier today, came back, corrected, which is okay, and then now we're getting and gearing up for a next move. The question is when will it happen? Well, it could happen very, very soon, because we can see right here on the stochastic RSI, we are in the oversold region. Now we know every time we are below 20, the stochastic RSI are looking bullish, and every time we're below or above 70, 80, stochastic RSI are going to be bearish. People are going to be looking to essentially short or sell their investments. So this is exactly what is happening overall. Having a look at BTC, guys. So this is BTC right here. Just a quick update, because we know a lot of coins do follow Bitcoin, and this has been this nice little trend on Bitcoin, and it seems like we could extend the trend line all the way down there, it seems like. So it's Bitcoin right now is currently in a ascending triangle, guys. This is an ascending triangle that Bitcoin is currently in. We came down, came back up, came back down, came back up, came back down. The question is when are we going to break out? Well, let's have a look. And what can the potential target be? If I take the top of this triangle and I take it at the breakout, well, we should come back all the way to $20,800, which is currently sitting at this level right here. Very, very strong resistance on the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we had a level of conflict right here, another level of conflict right here, and another one right here. So this should be my target today. In my opinion, we should be breaking out today. We're going to have to see. This was a nice little fake out. I did have a trade on my signal channel. This is my trade on my signal channel earlier today. I said long BTC, 19,640, 19,300, take profit 20,300. Stop loss is tight in case of a breakdown. We got stopped, but it looks like we should be entering the trade. I'm going to be giving this trade again on the group, so stay tuned. If you are in my signal channel, I think I'm gonna re-enter this trade on Bitcoin USDT. So we're gonna have to see. Overall, Lunc is looking okay right now, currently up 6.29% right here, as you guys can see, looking pretty good. Bitcoin's looking okay, and that's about it. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Wow, so much to edit.